How to temporarily deactivate Facebook account. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can temporarily deactivate your Facebook account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to temporarily deactivate your Facebook account, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then make sure to launch your Facebook application here. Once you launch your Facebook app, you want to make sure to just tap the menu icon from the bottom right, tap the gear icon from the top right hand side of the screen over here. Once you tap on that option, just make sure to tap the Meta Account Center tab and then just scroll and then look for personal details. Then just tap on account ownership and control, tap on deactivation or deletion, select your Facebook account, make sure deactivate account is selected, tap on continue, enter your password and continue it, and your Facebook account will get temporarily disabled. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.